Let's take a look at number 12 from 13.02. It says, on Guy Fawkes night, a skyrocket is fired from a launcher and reaches a height of h meters above the ground after t seconds. The function that links h and t is this equation here, which is the h thing here. Calculate, and I'll just go through these one after another. First of all, A, the height above the ground from which the skyrocket is fired. So I'll write out the equation first. So here we go. It's exercise 13.02, question 12a. So the equation was h, the height above the ground, is 15 plus 60t minus 5t squared. Now, the equation in itself is for the height, but it says the height above the ground when the skyrocket was fired. So the skyrocket must have been fired when t was equal to 0. In other words, at the initial time, before anything else happened, t was equal to 0. So when t equals 0, h is equal to 15 plus 60 times 0 minus 5 times 0 squared. Well, anything times 0 is 0, anything times 0 is 0, and so the height is going to be 15 meters. Now, you do need to put some sort of statement here saying that when t is equal to 0, h is 15 meters above the ground, or something like that. So do have a qualifying statement, a clarifying statement for each of your answers. So there's the answer to 12a. All right, let's do 12b. 12b states we're going to find the velocity of the skyrocket after 3 seconds. Well, we're after the velocity, so we're going to use the equation which we have, which is h is equal to 15 plus 60t minus 5t squared. And we're going to differentiate that. We're going to differentiate h with respect to time. So the 15 goes, the 60 is going to be still there, minus the 5t. Well, it's going to be 5 times 2 is 10. So I'll just fix that up. So it should be 10t. There we go. So minus 10t, and there is the velocity equation. So v is equal to 60 minus 10t, and this is going to be when the velocity is going to be what, after 3 seconds, it says. So after 3 seconds, v equals 60 minus 10 times 3, or 10 times 3 is 30, and 60 minus 30 is going to be 30 meters per second. And there is the answer for 12b.